Hey you guys, it's your girl Naima. Welcome back to my channel. I'm actually here with an unboxing. I have fragrance mail. I purchased a fragrance. I purchased two body oils. I think they call fragrance oils from a company named Gavin Luxe. Shauna put me onto this company. They're black owned. Their fragrances are, you know what I'm saying? I smelled the two that she purchased and I just had to have my own. So open this package with me. All right, let's get into it. I'm actually filming from my back camera, and then I have a mirror behind so I can see myself. So if I'm looking over there, that's what I'm looking at. But yeah, y'all, let's get into it. I will scroll again the name across the screen of the company. I will leave their website in the description of this video, so you guys can check them out. Some of my fragrance girlies, you may be familiar with this company, but I'm just getting hit to it, okay? So they had a sale on there. Let me actually tell y'all what I got. Okay, we're not for everyone, and that's the point. So this is their card that was in the package. And then here is their information on the back. Love it. So yeah, it's Gavin Luxe, and I'm here for it. The prices were reasonable. Like I said, I just purchased on a sale that they had. But y'all, get into this little tote bag. Isn't this cute? And it's exactly what I do. We'll work for perfume. I literally go to work so I can buy perfume. That's insane. Who would have thought? Little old me would have been into fragrances at the age of 42. Okay? Almost 43. This little bag is so stinking cute. Love this so much. Yes, period. I cannot wait to carry her. Actually, it's just as a little bag. Just it's a bag, okay? Like a purse. I could wear this with an outfit. And will. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into what I purchased. Here is the box. And then we're going to open her and see what we got. Okay, so yes, I purchased two perfume oils. I Smell Like Money and Drip. I will scroll the description of both fragrances on the screen so y'all can go ahead and get into it. So here are the oils. They were $20 each. So let's get into Drip first. The packages is sealed. We love to see it. So let's smell these babies together. Drip. Okay, then they have a little directions on the back. Apply where you desire fragrance the most. Love it. Alright, I'm gonna get me my little perfume strips because we're gonna try to put the oil on here. So let's see. Oh, it's a roller. We love a good roller. Ooh. And y'all fur nephew in here tearing up the trash. Stop it, boy. Do y'all dog play in the damn trash? Why do he like the trash so much? Like, stop it. Dang. Ooh, hold on. Who's on? Nah, you gotta put this on your skin, baby. Ooh, and then look how the oil. Ooh, it's oily. Well, you know we love an oil. Y'all, this smells. Oh my God, it smells so freaking good. I'm so mad I don't have the notes right here. But y'all, it's just, ooh, it's light, it's sexy, it's feminine. You can wear it now, you can wear it in the fall. She's just good. So this is Drip. So let's get into Smell Like Money. So again, if you're into oils, and they have the perfumes to go with these oils as well. I have enough perfumes right now I need to get through, so I was like, let me go ahead and just add some oils. And in, oh no, they sent me the wrong one. This is Moonwalk. This is Moonwalk. I want it to smell like money. Oh man. Yeah, that's the wrong one. Now, if I love it, I ain't gonna trip. But I did one drip. I did smell, I smell like money. That's one of the ones Shauna had. And I definitely liked it. But if this one is a good one as well, I ain't gonna trip. Oh, wait a minute. Oh. Again, the oil is there. This one smells more gourmand. So this smells like a cupcake. Like a fresh, like a bakery. I like her though. But can I wear them together? Is the question. It's real light. Moonwalk. I said Moonwalk. It's Moon Milk. That's what it is. And y'all know how I feel about milky fragrances. Y'all know how I feel about electronic fragrances. So this is, I mix them both. I honestly don't smell anything. I don't smell nothing. I don't smell nothing. It's very, very faint. It's not. Now, for me smelling the perfumes, the oils are not as strong as the perfumes. I would have thought the oils would have been more potent. But no, the perfumes are definitely way more powerful. These are very, very light. And I doubt that they will last all day. Now, since I do have Moon Milk, and y'all know I do have the new Jackie Anna, she was here, and you know, one of the notes in she was here is like a milk. So I feel like this will be a good layering combo for Moon Milk. And it is amazing. Oh my goodness, yes. So this basically brought out the milk note in here that I did not smell initially. So Moon Milk did that. Oh my goodness, absolutely yes. Okay, now these two together, y'all know what this smells like? And we could tussle in the comments. This is starting to smell like Eclair by Lattafa. And y'all know how much I struggle with Eclair. These two together, it's smelling like Eclair mixed with pistachio. Like, that's exactly what this is giving. Yeah, so that's what I'm thinking. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, do with that what you will. But like I said, I do recommend trying out this brand. But I do recommend purchasing the Perfume to maybe layer with these oils. But Moon Milk was not what I purchased. I Smell Like Money. So maybe I will reach out to them to see what's what, to see what they're talking. And then I will come back later on in another video to let you guys know what they say. But overall, like I said, these were on sale for $20. Were they worth the money? I've smelled better oils. And for this to be a perfume oil, and this is 15 mil, I've smelled stronger oils. You know what I mean? But again, my opinion. But I will definitely come back and give you guys an update if you're interested. So yeah, again, I will leave the link below. Thank y'all for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.